Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make this flower. It's a very easy trick and you can make it at home within just 2 minutes. And the things you need are 2 A4 sheets. One I have fluorescent sheet and one is A4 sheet. This is one thin and this is thick. So another material is a cutter, a Fevibond. You can also use Fevicol, pencil, scissor, some decorative flowers like this, and last but not the least thing you need is just to follow these simple steps. Start. First of all, to make this purple part, you have to use your thick sheet. You can use any of the colors according to you. First I have choose this color combination and now I'm using this. And now what you have to do is nothing else but just fold it half. Make sure to crease the lines. Now what you have to do is just take a scissor and cut strips. You don't have to cut it till the end. You can leave this much space, like you can do it till here. Come on. Make sure that you cut with the scissor. When you cut with the scissor, you should cut. You should not cut from the open side. You should cut from the closed side. I have cut this, and now when you're going to open it, it will look something like this. Now what you have to do is just paste it . This way. I have pasted it, and now the thing I have to do is just roll and it will form like this, and then you have to paste it with Fevicol. It's done, and now I have to paste it. I have put the Fevicol and now pasting. Now let it dry till the time we are going to make this awesome flower. Just take a scale and a pencil . And on every 2 cm put a line. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 till wherever it comes. My hairs came to 20. Now at wherever it will come in your sheet. It depends on the sheet. So now you have to put the scale in equal size and make lines. I have drawn the lines with the help of the scale. Make sure that your lines should be straight. Now what you have to do is just cut these strips. You can either cut with the scissor or with the help of a cutter. So hereby I have 10 strips, and among which one of them is thin and we are not going to use it. So these are our strips. Now what we have to do is just make a group of 2. While making our video, he is one of those who disturbs me a lot. Say hello. Okay, so here I have made pairs, and now what I have to do is this is a long pair. Now cut this little bit among this, now little bit more smaller in this, and little bit more smaller in this, little bit more smaller in this. So this way you have to cut your strips. जैसे ये सबसे बड़ा, फिर उससे थोड़ा सा छोटा, फिर उससे थोड़ा सा ये छोटा, फिर उससे थोड़ा छोटा, ऐसे बनाना है. Our first pair of strips will remain the same, and we'll start from the second one. So I am cutting here 3 cm in this. I've cut here 3 cm, and now I'm going to cut here 3 more centimeters, which is 6 cm or 5 cm. Cut it 6 cm, then मतलब आपको अंदाजे से थोड़ा छोटा करते जाना है. इसमें अब I'll cut around 9 cm. So here I have cut all the 10 strips, and this is the pattern formed. Now what we have to just do is fold all these strips half and make a line in the between. I have folded all the strips half and make sure to crease, and so that the line becomes like this. Now just open all the strips and put the Fevicol in the between. Start with the longest one, and I have put, and now I'm going to take the edge in the between and then paste. The same way now the another edge I'll paste over here to give it a shape, something like this. So do it with all the strips. Finally pasted all my strips, and now just I have to crisscross them one upon another, and then again across. The same way I have to paste to give it something like, to give it a look like this. So let's start. First I'm pasting the larger ones, then another smaller ones, then another 2 smaller ones, then these 2 more smaller ones, and these 2 the most smallest. Now I will paste them one upon another like this. And at the end I will paste one of these flowers. Let's check which one looks the best. This. this one is looking very good, so I will be pasting it over here, and our flower is ready. And the blue color flower which we made will be the flower pot for this. So first of all, open it like this, and then put some glue, spread it, and just paste it. And your flower pot, paper flower is ready. The same way I made this purple color flower pot for this. So I'll paste it now. And our two of the flower pots are ready. And guys, as you all know that Mother's Day is coming, you all can give these flowers to your mothers as Happy Mother's Day. Mother's Day is on 12th May 2019, so you can easily give this to your mothers and they'll be so happy. Even my mother will be happy when I'll be gifting this gift to her. And it's a very easy DIY. You all must try these. So which one among these both is better? Please tell me in the comment box. And if you liked this video, please press the like button also. And if you need more such arty videos, please press the subscribe button and make it gray.